What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Terrence Gibson doing an excellent COTPS video. You can see at $100 it's turned into $24.32. It just the bot just ran at an hour ago. Yeah, really like right at an hour ago. So we like I said, we're leaving this in here. We're letting this grow. So you let you go ahead. Refresh it for you, 24.32. That's what's in there. So we got $1.79. That probably be part of what we're about to do, as in taking money out. So what we're doing, we're growing. Let's see if we see that infinity. So we come in here, go to my team. Don't see it today. I have to have more than 50 people. I know I gotta have more than 50 people, because these numbers keep going up and up and up. People, we're having $500. I mean, I ain't even going to speak on $500. This is probably going to be more than $500. It's going to be more than $500. So it's probably going to be about 6 today. Let's go. So what we'll do now is we'll go to level 1. We'll click receive. So we got a total of $3,213 from residuals on level 1. Level 2 is a total of $928. And level 2 is at 124. I'm not even gonna try to add. I'm gonna let it add it up at the end. I ain't even. And then 110 on level 3. So all the levels is kicking butt, man. All these levels, that means my people telling people, my people's people telling people, and everybody is growing. I'm gonna leave that 15 sitting in there. Let that start growing for tomorrow. So what we do now is we come over here. We go to 649. Praise the Lord. Thank you. 649 for today. Man, this thing is growing every day. Every day is getting higher. Every day is getting higher. So that means my people are putting more money. My people's people are putting in more money, and my people's are putting in more money, because there's only 3 levels. So whatever's happening on my 4th level, I don't know. It keeps showing me 1 second and then it don't show the next time. All right, so what we do now is we're gonna come over here and do a withdrawal. And remember, your withdrawal is USDT TRC20. Ah, man, it want a picture this time. All right, 649.345. It just disappeared and came back. You know what? We'll see. All right, so we come here. We got to start certification. So what I got to do is I got to come up here and get rid of my camera, because it needs my camera. I mean, I don't know if I can set up 2 cameras, but that's it. All right, that's me looking straight up. I took a picture. Let's see. All right. So on that send verification code, it's gonna come to my phone. I got paint on my phone. Oh man, I gotta get my life right, man. You know what I'm saying? Can't be having paint on my phone. So I should be waiting for it to come to my phone. I ain't changed, not messed nothing up. Nope. Okay, well, let's do a refresh. It's getting close to that number anyway. So let's try again. 6, 5. Let's put that up there. Transaction. Start certification. That's me. Right. Come here. Send verification. So it should come to my phone. Okay. There we go. Put that number in. Remember, people, everything is technology these days. So insufficient balance. Okay, so we can't do the change. Take the change off. Yeah, we'll do a submit. Success. So you know the routine. We would do now. We come to withdrawal. Process. We'll just keep processing it. We'll keep all right, so what we're gonna do now is we'll go and open it. Can we know this ain't open? Yeah. All right, keep sign in 2FA. I said it before, I'll say it again. If you don't have 2FA, send me your dough. Send me your money. Just send it to me. You know what I'm saying? You'll feel much better if you was a blessing and gave it to somebody than for some joker to run off in the sunset with it. Run off in the sunset with your money. You know what I'm saying? Run off in the sunset. I wonder. Oh, so it's sent. I gotta check. I didn't even check my bank yet. See if it came there yet. So if it's sent. Oh yeah. I don't know how these banks work. It'll be sent from here, but then Bank of America over there making a last little bit of interest on my money. Let's see. See if I see it in here. So, you know, my wife would, she checked this stuff. Where is, oh. All right, logging in. See if it hit yet. Nope, no, it didn't hit yet. That's how they do. These jokers will hold on to your dough. They didn't hit yet. Well, we know it's on the way. So what we do is come back here, refresh it, unprocess. It's taking a little longer today, maybe because it's a little bit more money. But then again, cracking takes a little longer with all my withdrawals on anything I do. So we could go back between the two. This what's gonna happen is sooner or later it's gonna pop up here and it's gonna pop up there at the same time. So okay, wait to give it a few seconds. What else can we talk about here? See, because I am not the only person on here doing these at the same time, people. Then we got a customer service right here. So if you ever need customer service, you come on here and speak with customer service. Oh, okay, let me get off of that because I don't need that. But they're there if you need them. Help center, official language download center. I'll go to Kraken first just to see, maybe see anything saying. All right, go back here. Go back to mine. Go back to withdrawal. Okay, so this one is going to be a little longer today. Then. Let's go. I figure I am not the only person in here, and I'm definitely the only person withdrawing. So just go wait a few seconds. See what it's doing. Let's see if I can get my camera back. We back in business with the camera. Back in business with the camera. Okay, still in process. Let's wait a minute then. So it's taking a little longer than it normally does. All right. What I'm gonna do is see if it's just showing me one thing and doing something on the other end. Yeah, it's still not showing on that end. I mean, I might have to come back and show this on another video. We got some time. Our videos usually be long as crap. So we'll wait a minute and see what it's doing. Because only status is just waiting for just the process. And you click on that little arrow, shows your whole transaction number and everything on what's going down. And all we gotta do is wait for it to be processed. complete it. See, that's what I'm saying. Sometimes people, it takes a little longer to do stuff. So just all you gotta do is just keep refreshing. That's all you can do. Nothing else you can do. Then you come to your wallet that is going to. I think KuCoin is a little faster. But I don't know, for me, Kraken is not the fastest. But it's in the US. I'm in the US. I don't know if KuCoin's on the US. I don't have KuCoin. I'm just saying, you know, for USDT, I do have Trust Wallet, and I don't really like using it, other than if I'm buying some coins through PancakeSwap. So I would prefer not to even use Trust Wallet, but it does have USDT TRC20 wallet. So if that took a little while to get there, I'm just imagining how long it's going to take to show up on my wallet right there. But let me see if anything else we can go over. See what we can try to find out. See how many people we got. How many beautiful people have joined the team. So let's say team income. So I guess it shows you the different amount of money. This is what I've been making off of the different levels. All right, that was good. Let's go back. Let's go with details of fund. Of course, it's just going to show the $100 and then everything we took out. Of course, invite your friends shows you your link. And then it gives you to let you know. See, what we're doing is we're making 15%. It's a little small too. 75%. All right, so 90%. We're making 15% of every time, every 2 hours, my first level cycle. And then my second level 10, and then 5 on my third. That's good money, man. I mean, like, I didn't even introduce the people on the second level. And 10% of everything that cycles, that's excellent. Can't complain about that. Can't complain about that at all. Let's see. Can't complain about that at all. So what we do now is we'll go ahead and go. Okay, confirming. So it's here. It's on its way. All we got to do is, process the paperwork like they process it. And we already know the Kraken is not fast. So we're not going to let this video last any longer than that. But just to think about it for here, of course, you click here to copy, get your link. You got your personal information right there. Invite your friends. Identity authentication. Because as soon as you come in, when you first join, you got to go straight there. Do what you got to do for your KYC. Is just really just a picture of you holding your license under your chin. And I show people mines all the time. Actually, I could just show it to you now. Okay, I passed it. Oh, I guess since I passed it, it's not going to show it to me again. Okay. Let me see. I'm doing one more time just to see. Okay. Well, just like that picture shows you, that's what you're supposed to do. I just took mine, put it on my chin, and rocked it with that from there. And you know what I'm saying? Then you got team, and you got level 1. And then if you just keep scrolling, it'll start showing you everybody. There you go. G-Long. I mean, just, that's what I'm saying. I know we over 50 people. No, I know we over 50 people. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Let's keep going. Okay, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 at Bishop. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 at max gold. I just ended max pain too. So max. 30 at max gold. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 54 people. That's what I'm saying. I know. I mean, it's an official rule that once you hit 50 people, you're supposed to have a certain amount of it's supposed to have a level 4 there. But we'll see. We definitely ain't complaining. It's doing nice just the way it is. 36 cents already running for level 1. Because my people getting busy. Let me see if I wasted enough time for it to go ahead and yeah, it's still confirming people. All right, it's on its way in there. We're not gonna wait for the rest of that. So went over COTPS. Yo, you got to get up in this piece, get your people up in this piece. Yeah, because you can pretty much whatever you put in here, you'll get it back within less than 30 days. That's just how beautiful this is. So whatever you invest. So if you invest 5,000 and say you tell nobody, you will get your 5,000 back in less than 30 days. That's what I'm talking about. You get in, put you in a Telegram group, you get with Jamsey on his website, get you the bot, and then you Gucci. And that's all it takes. And that's all you got to do. That's it. And then just let it ride. Just let it ride. I don't even really check it for this because I know the bot is doing that. I just come in and withdraw the residuals and let everything else keep growing. Because sooner or later, that's going to be tripling. I'm trying to tell you, people, I got a strategy for everything that I do. That 224, what is it at right now? 24, that's going to be tripling. And then it's going to be quadrupling. I mean, it already 20x, 24x. You know what I'm saying? So it's going to keep on growing. It's already 24x. So it's going to just keep on growing and growing and growing daily. To the point where this is like 20, 30,000. And I ain't even messing with it. Just messing with that. Watch. Just keep watching it grow. Keep watching my videos. But don't keep sitting on the sideline. Put you some money in and watch my videos and watch your videos. Do your own. You know what I'm saying? So that you can grow too. Let me try it one more time. Success. It's in there. There you go. Right. Because, sometimes people need proof that the money actually went in there. There you go. 647. It's in my Kraken wallet. We can't fake crackling. I mean, maybe you can, but I don't know how to do it. I'm not that type of guy. I use Zoom to make my videos. So I'll just tell you where my technological expertise is. So that's pretty much it, people. Just wanted to see how long it's going to take. Figure I could talk to you to life while we're waiting for it to come through, and it came through, just so you can see the full process. All right. Like, subscribe, rock that bell, join our team. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.